Howdy folks, it's Easter, and today we're prepping our first smoked suckling pig, 33 pounds, and here's what it looks like. Just pulled it out of the brine. It's been in the brine in the cooler with some ice. So I gotta do some quick prep here. I just slit the carcass up through the neck here, kind of opened up the ribs, and all this extra silver skin, and of course all the ice I gotta scoop out of here real quick. And then really all we're gonna do is use our rub. We're using Wright's barbecue rub, a local place here in Lowell, or actually Johnson and Bentonville. They got great products and their rub's really good. And we're just going to use the rub on the inside, all the meat surfaces. We won't put any on the outside. We'll wipe the skin down, get all this brine debris off. And, you know, when we first put it on the smoker, it won't have anything on the skin for the first couple hours. And then we'll use some vegetable spray and kind of coat it with that. And it'll help with the colorization and the crispiness. So here we go. All right. Pig is prepped, cleaned her up pretty good. We got the rub on, and we're just waiting on the smoker, and we'll put it on here shortly. Oh yeah, one last thing. We're gonna put we put some foil over the ears and the snout because they can tend to get a little dark a little bit quicker. And then you can always put foil over any part of the skin as it's cooking if it's getting too dark too quick. But yeah, it's ready to go on here in about 15 minutes. Gonna put it on at 225 for 7 hours. All right, the pig is in the smoker. This is a Recteq branded smoker. It's called the RT-700. So this 33 pound, you can see fits nicely. You could probably do, they say you can do up to about a 45 pound in here. So we're ready to go. It's smoking. Well, it's been 4 hours, so it's about 1 p.m. Color's getting even nicer, so I'm gonna hit it with some more spray. That's probably the last spray I do, and it's looking good. So we're waiting on the pig. What's the best part about smoking a pig?
You bumped into it. Being able to eat one complete meal while you're waiting for the pig to get done smoking.
So, you know, it's only 3 hours late, so what's... All right, so we're getting ready to pull this off. It actually took about 3 hours longer than we were expecting, so it wasn't good for the timing of the Easter dinner, but we got a crowd that's patiently waiting to see this thing come off. So it just temped, we got 190 in the shoulder, 180 in the butt. So we're pulling it off. My son here is gonna help me. Hey, Josh.
Everybody can take pictures. Okay, happy Easter.
Yeah. All right, it's off. Everybody can go now. All right, we're actually gonna let it rest just a minute. But look at that. It's a little darker than we were expecting, but of course it was on 3 hours longer. I had to crank it up to 275 to get her there, but it...
After taking 2 hours longer than we expected, 3 hours?
3 hours longer.
Do you take the skin off of it?
I'm going to fold it down. And there it is. Actually, you want to get like a tray out? I'll put some meat on the tray. Look at that. You got your shoulder pulled pork. There's your shoulder pork.
That does look... What is that?
That's the pulled pork part.
Oh. Where was the bacon, Scott?
I was like, can I have that apple?
This is some of that bacon. Remember when we did the smoked bacon? Look at
Oh. Where are the ribs? So that's rib meat right there?
Yeah.
No, now they do this too, right?
And then you got your ham. This will be all your ham meat.
Sure, can you make it out?
All right, so we got it all pulled apart, and we were really surprised just how much meat this thing yielded. So we got all the ribs here, we got all the meat pulled, and Jesse's over here just like, what do you think? You like it?
I mean, that's good. But I thought it would have more meat.
Does it taste good?
Yeah, okay, good. I feel that's all you got.
Yeah, it's only a little small pig.
How was it?
Era, what do you think?
This girl's like, that's not the answer I
For
wanted.
me, I pick meat in here, whip here.
Yeah,
I pick,
like what is this?
All right.
pick this.
You don't have any you don't have anything left. What do you think, Gramps?
It's good.
Yeah?
Excellent.
Okay, that's what we like.
You know, whip.
So the next time you want to do a pig, let me buy the pig and you maybe get a bigger one.
Well, I
And I'll pay
can
for it.
I can't do much bigger, but
All of meat in there.
I'm glad you liked it.
No, it was wonderful.
All right. Well, we'll
I
definitely
just pick in there, see all of meat if I pick in here.
Era's gonna take the legs and ham hocks and make. What are you gonna make?
No, I just, not soup, just pick it.
Some kind of soup?
No.
No, I just pick it and dip it, papaya salad, spicy papaya salad. Eat it.
Ooh, that sounds good. All right. Well, overall, the Easter dinner was really good. We had our chicken, we had our pork, we had all our sides. Most everybody's left. We got desserts still.
Well, yeah, they just see the good part here, the meat here. Yeah.
Rib.
Yeah,
All right.
good meat.
I think this concludes the pig roast for Easter.